Here I have OPPO F23 and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings and go into more. Here you can set up a schedule for this mode. You can add like exceptions, it could be favorite contacts or just all contacts. You can also add apps to exceptions. You have an option ring for repeated calls. A second call from the same number within 3 minutes will not be silenced, and you can also silence media when Do Not Disturb is on. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.